Our Top 5 Best Marine VHF Radios. 1 Number Product: Standard Horizon HX300 Submersible Floating Marine Radio. This radio, the smallest floating marine radio on the market. It is small enough to fit in your pocket. Included is a USB charger and cord. The radio can plug it into any USB port to charge and receive a full charge in roughly 3 hours. We have talked about a similar model to this, the HX890 floating marine radio, which probably has a better overall performance, but the size of this radio makes it a great option. Its transmitting power is capped at 5 watts, which may seem like a slight disadvantage to the many 6 watts models on the market. However, the distance a handheld radio will transit is mostly limited by antenna height, not transmission power. It is equipped with a 1650 mAh 3.7 volts lithium-ion battery that gets about 10 hours of usage. 2 Number Product: Standard Horizon Eclipse Fixed Mount Marine Radio. The Standard Horizon Eclipse is an ultra-compact Class D VHF marine radio with GPS. The waterproof rating is Pikes, which means the radio is submersible in 1.5 meters of water for 30 minutes. Other features include a backlit keypad and a microphone with noise reduction technology. This is similar to the standard Horizon Explorer, and both are equipped with a built-in GPS receiver. The unit can send a DSC distress signal with the vessel's MSI number. 3 Number Product: Icom M330G Fixed Mount VHF Marine Radio. The Icom M330G is a quality fixed-mouth VHF radio. It comes with an external GPS antenna, which is good when using a radio with an enclosed hardtop boat. The output power of the radio is 25 watts. Features include a backlit display, backlit keypad, channel and volume buttons on the microphone, and weather channels with weather alert. A unique feature is the AquaQuake, which can be activated to use low-frequency sound waves to remove water in and around the speaker area. 4 Number Product: Uniden Fixed Mount Marine Radio. This Uniden 435 replaced the very popular Uniden UM415. It has an output power of 25 watts. It does not have a GPS receiver, but it can be wired to a GPS device or GPS antenna. Available in both black or white, the UM415 is an excellent value in terms of fixed-mounted marine radios. DSC can be set up to send vessel and position information when pressing the distress button. The water-resistant rating is GIS 8, which means the radio is submersible to a depth of 1 meter for 30 minutes. This radio is capable of both 1 watt and 25 watts transmitting configurations. It has a front-facing full Class D DSC button protected by a flip cover. 5 Number Product: Cobra MRF45D Fixed Mount Marine Radio. The Cobra radio is very compact when it comes to fixed-mount radios. However, it is not as rugged as other radios, but would work well in an inside environment. The waterproof rating for the unit is GIS 7 waterproof, which means that it is immersion-resistant but not submersible. It does say submersible on the front of the unit, but technically that is not correct. The microphone is exceptional and utilizes noise-canceling technology to ensure your outgoing communications aren't drowned out by the wind or engine noise. It is DSC compatible with the standard one-touch distress button located on the front panel, and it will transmit your communications in either 1 watt or 25 watts power configurations. Thanks for watching this video.